Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trademark in the UK. First, you need to understand what a trademark actually protects. It safeguards your brand's unique identity, like a logo or name, preventing others from using it. Next, it's crucial to conduct a thorough search to ensure your desired mark isn't already registered or too similar to an existing one. Finally, gather all the required information about your business and the goods or services you wish to protect. Before you submit your application, a comprehensive trademark search is essential to avoid potential conflicts. You can use the UK Intellectual Property Office database for this. Then, accurately identify the correct classes for your goods and services. There are 45 international classes, and choosing the right ones ensures proper protection. Finally, make sure you have all your business details, including your name and address, ready for the application form. This preparation saves time and prevents delays. Once prepared, you can complete the online application form through the UK Intellectual Property Office website. Fill in all sections accurately, including your chosen mark and the classes you selected. You will then need to pay the required application fee, which covers the initial processing. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation. It's important to regularly monitor your application's progress through your online account, as you may need to respond to any queries or objections raised during the examination period. After examination, the UK Intellectual Property Office might raise objections if there are issues with your application. You'll need to address these promptly, potentially by providing further arguments or amending your application. If successful, your trademark will be published in the Trademark Journal for a period, allowing third parties to oppose its registration. If no valid oppositions are filed, or if they are overcome, your trademark will be registered, providing you with exclusive rights. Remember to check the description for a link to make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.